To create a shareable link for your PDF, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to open a web browser, then go to your Google Drive. You'll need a Google account to do this. If you don't have one, you can sign up. If you do, sign in. Once in the Google Drive, click on the New in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on File Upload. Select your PDF file, and then tap on Open. The file will upload to the Google Drive. And after the upload is completed, you can tap on the PDF file, click on the Share button in the top right corner of your screen, and under the General Access section, tap on this drop-down menu and tap on Anyone with the link. Once done, tap on Copy Link option and share the link with others. You can also choose the access role, like viewer, commenter, or editor, for the people with the link. Paste the link wherever you want, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.